everyone, it's me again, Lydia, the Product Marketing Manager from Current. We're talking about money. Tax season is here, and if you're getting a refund, you might be wondering, what is the best way to file and spend that extra cash? Well, we have some good news for you. You can now file your taxes on the Current app. I know there's a lot of companies offering to help you file for taxes, but you may be wondering, why would you specifically do it with Current? If you did decide to go with Current, you will have access to personalized tax review, both federal and state personal income taxes, and a maximum refund guaranteed. Also, bonus point, with our new expert review feature, you can get that extra layer of confidence you're looking for when filing your taxes. So what is expert review? Expert review is part of our premium tax filing service. Before you submit your tax return, a tax expert will personally review it for you. By doing so, they will be helping you to ensure accuracy and also potentially maximizing your tax refund. I know filing for taxes can sometimes be scary and intimidated. I know I get intimidated every season, but you don't have to worry if you're filing your taxes with Current because the process is very smooth and fast. Also, you'll be able to access your tax refund up to 5 days faster. Worry to do it on your own? Well, you don't have to because you'll also have access to an expert who can help you maximize your tax return. So you may be wondering how you can do it on Current. First and foremost, open your Current app and then head over to the Services tab where you can find on the bottom the Taxes widget. Click on that and you'll be able to start your journey of filing for taxes. Your next step is going to be to click on Start Filing and choose the plan that works best for you. And if you do have any additional questions, well, you know what to do. Leave those questions under the comment section. Your next question may be, what tax situations are covered? Current is partnering with experts at Column Tax to help you cover all your tax needs. Column's tax experience covers all credits, deductions, rebates, exemptions, adjustments, distributions, income types, and filing statuses that apply to individual, federal, and state tax filings. For more information, check out the Column Terms of Use section on their website. I know we're all looking forward to tax refunds, and your next question might be, how fast will I be getting my tax refund? The IRS issues most refunds within 21 days of acceptance. You can track it using the IRS Where's My Refund tool. Once your return is accepted, allow up to 36 hours for the tool to update, and 3 weeks for electronic refunds to be deposited. And if you're using Current, good news for you because you can get the refund up to 5 days faster. I know it sounds exciting to get your refund faster, but you may also be wondering, how is Current able to get access to your refunds faster? It all depends on when the IRS sends the payment file. As soon as we receive it, we process your deposit immediately. Sometimes even up to 5 days before your official payday. Okay, so now the next question is, what can you do with all that money you got from your tax refund? If you are getting that tax refund, why not make the most of it? Instead of being tempted to spend it all at once, why not set yourself up for financial success? And you can do that with the savings pod that's available to you on the Current app. We all know how sometimes it can go. When that extra cash gets into your account, it might be easy to spend it all without a plan. But what if you could set some part of it for something very meaningful? It could be for a vacation, for an emergency fund, or even for the next month's expenses. If that sounds great to you, this is where Current savings pods come in. Current gives you a simple way to organize, grow, and manage your money, all in one easy solution. Sounds intriguing, I know. Let me show you how you can do it on the Current app. Before we get into it, let me first explain what savings pods are. They're dedicated pockets of savings within your Current account that help you set money aside for anything you might want. Here's what's great about savings pods. You can get 3 savings pods within your Current account. These pods have no restrictions. You're able to move money in and out with no penalties. Teen accounts come with a savings pod and a giving pod for donations. Also, something to keep in mind is that these pods are FDIC insured up to $250,000 at our partner bank. So your money is safe. So let's sum up. Basically, savings pods equals to full flexibility, smart saving, and no penalties. Setting up savings pod is super easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it on the app. First, open your Current app and tap on Savings Pods under the Overview tab. Next, you will have to tap on Create Savings Pod, and you can name it basically anything you want. It can be Paris trip, money set aside for rainy days, and anything else. Then set a goal amount, and if you want to make it even more personal, you can even add an image or a short description. And finally, tap Done. And just like that, your savings pod is ready. Let's take this one step further. Once your pod is set up, you can fund it in a few ways. You can either transfer money from your primary balance or your linked bank account. You will need to deposit a check directly into the pod. You have the flexibility to turn on roundups, where your everyday purchases round up to the nearest dollar. And that extra change goes directly into your savings pot. Let's say you love coffee and you're going into your coffee shop and you're ready to spend $3.75. It rounds up to $4, and that extra 25 cents goes directly into your savings pot. Now, here is where it gets even better. You can grow your balance just by keeping your money in the pod. What if I told you that you can get access to our maximum boosted rate of 4% annually if you set up your direct deposit of $500 or more into your current account? This means your money isn't just sitting there. It's actually working for you. I know you might have some questions, so let's go over some of the FAQs. First question, are savings pods investment products? Nope. They're a safe way to store and grow your savings without the risks of investing. Second question, can I use my savings pod balance for purchases? Not directly. If you need to use your savings, just transfer money from your pod back to your main balance before making a purchase. Okay, now it's time for the last question. Can I move my money in and out whenever I want to? Absolutely, you can. There are no restrictions, fees, or penalties for transferring money in and out of your pod. So your next step is to start filing and saving today. If you're ready to file your taxes and make the most of your refund, make sure to download Current. To summarize, here are the steps that you should be taking. Download the app, file with the expert review, and start using your savings pods to grow your money. Thanks for watching, and happy tax season!